Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick mail call from Tampa Boys Custom. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I got a quick mail call. I actually got this, I think, a week or two ago in the mail. Today is June 7th. Tomorrow is my birthday, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I actually got some stuff right there I need to do videos on as well. But this is going to be a quick shout out mail call video to Tampa Boys Customs. I blanked out his address with some painter's tape. See what's in here. Looks like it's empty. It looks like two stickers. We don't baby 'em. Tampa Boys Customs find me on YouTube today. That's cool. Some cool little stickers. Not sure where I'm going to put them on this box, but I am planning on getting another box. Actually a couple more boxes where I'm going to have to stick the bigger stickers on that box. The newer box, and the little stickers I'm going to have to keep putting them on this box. I have plenty of room for small stickers on this box, you know, between each drawer. But all the spots that have sections where I could put wide stickers, it's kind of pretty much filled up. Looks like his sticker might fit there. Right there. Kind of hides it. Can't read the top of the sticker. I might have to put it on a different box. I could probably stick a couple stickers here. Yeah, it'd fit there too. Oh, might fit. It actually kind of fits right there. Might stick it there. But I do appreciate Adam, you sending me stickers, brother. I appreciate it, man. Do like the stickers. I don't know if I'm going to stick them on this box though. It looks like there's a couple spots the sticker will fit. But I'm thinking maybe I put them on another box that I pick up. But Adam, you rock, brother. I will leave a card up here for Adam's channel. You can go check out Tampa Boys Customs. He does lots of two-cycle videos, little mini bikes, little go-karts, stuff like that. He also does racing videos where he races those little mini bikes with other people around tracks. So that might be something you guys want to check out. I'm going to leave the cards up here for his channel, as well as I'll leave a couple cards of a couple of his videos. Thank you, Adam. Appreciate the stickers. Just a quick video, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do have a link down below in the top of the description for Ulsa Tools. If you use it, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. It also kicks me back availability of getting 10% off my next order from them as well. Looks like this is a two-part sticker. So there's double layers. So this outer rim is one layer, and then the main sticker is a different layer. It's pretty neat. So, also I want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, and subscribe, as well as the people that watch the ads on the videos, as well as you guys that are subscribed, aren't subscribed, people that just watch. I want to say thank you to all you guys, because you guys are the reason that the channel's monetized and the channel is now making money. So we're going to be bringing lots of things to the channel. Comparison videos, be buying wood with the money from the channel. You're going to be picking up 2 sheet master jaw horses to clamp that wood to, so we can do head-to-heads with multiple hammer drills from multiple companies. And same with impact drivers. Same with like impact wrenches like this sitting here, this Milwaukee mid-torque sitting here. Everything between what I have available to do videos on. We have 8 volt, which is 7.2 volt DeWalt. We got 20 volt DeWalt. We got 60 volt flex volt and 120 volt flex volt. We have Metabo tools as well. We have Metabo HPT 18 volt and 36 volt. We got Makita 12 volt, 18 volt and 36 volt X2, as well as 40 volt and 80 volt Makita coming to the channel as well. We have Milwaukee M18, M12. We have Bosch Core 18 volt. As well as I might be picking up some Ryobi tools. Yeah, I don't do any videos on Ryobi, but there are a couple items that Ryobi makes that nobody else does. That might be nice. I kind of like that Ryobi has a misting fan, which will come in handy when I'm under a vehicle in my driveway in 125 plus heat. That might be a great thing. Not very many other companies make misting fans. Ryobi is the only company that makes tools like the 18-inch air cannon fan. Nobody else has a battery operated fan that large. So, you know, and Ryobi does come out with a lot of very unique niche tools that a lot of manufacturers like Milwaukee or even Rigid or Ryobi or Metabo or, you know, Metabo HPT or Hitachi or even Makita has. So might be bringing that to the channel, so keep a lookout for that. So if any of those things interest you guys, you know, smush the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!